Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Why are status code important? I've been using status codes even before I knew what APIs were. The reason we're obsessed with them, and we are, I'll show you, is that they're the first flag that something went wrong, or right. And they're easy to check. They're a single value comprising an entire world. If they check out, everything's fine. Okay, not really. We know that if they don't check out, there's no need to check further. But the reverse? Not true. If we're getting the correct status code, that is only the beginning. If we want to know that something works, we need to dig deeper. Because correct depends on a lot of things. In our Bigger Better Bookstore, we have an API to add a review to a book. What makes it work correctly? Let's dissect, shall we? When a book doesn't exist, you can't add a review. That's an easy one. But if a book exists, then it will return a 201, a created status. Get this out of the way. It will mirror the review details that I sent to the API. If we call getAllBookReviews, we'll get the details that we sent. If we call getAllReviews for all books, we'll see those details. If we edit the review, it will no longer show the original details. If we delete the review, it will no longer appear in those lists. Remember, test the feature, not the API. I have a video on that. But we're not done yet. Check out more things we probably want to make sure work. We've added a review. Will it still be there in 1 year? Will it appear in all the lists that we've mentioned? We've added the review in New York, but look at the lists in London. Do we see the same values? We've added the review. Can everybody else see it? And can they delete our review? We've added a review along with 300 people at the same time. Are the reviews collected correctly? We've added a review along with 300,000 people at the same time. Is the server still running? As you can see, checking the status code doesn't tell us much. But if we get a 500 on any of those cases, we know something is wrong. Like I said, status codes are just the beginning. We need to come up with all those cases first. Because in complex systems, like ours, a lot of things can go wrong. Once we have this big list of cases, we can write or generate tests. But don't just assert on status code. That's lazy. And if the genie generates tests that do just that, that's productive laziness. Next week, I'm hosting a webinar exactly on this. What our API tests actually prove and what they silently miss. July 15th, link below. Now, tell me, and I won't tell anyone else, what's the laziest assertion that you caught on a code review? I promise I won't name names. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and check out my other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.